Take a deep breath. This is not a lesson. This is a moment for you. Today's episode is called Why Understanding English Takes Time. Listen, repeat, speak naturally. Many learners feel frustrated. They study English for months, sometimes for years, and they still don't understand everything. They hear English, but the words feel too fast. They know the vocabulary, but the meaning disappears. This is normal, very normal. Repeat after me. Learning takes time. Understanding takes time. When you learn English, your brain is changing. You are not just memorizing words. You are training your ears. You are training your mind. Your brain needs repetition. Your brain needs exposure. That's why listening is powerful. Repeat after me. My brain is learning, even when I don't feel it. First you hear sounds, then you recognize words. Later, you understand sentences. Understanding is the result, not the starting point. You don't need to understand everything today. You only need to continue. Repeat after me. I don't need to rush. I trust the process. Now repeat after me. Slowly. I am learning English. I don't understand everything yet. And that's okay. Every day I improve a little. Every time I listen, I grow. My English is getting better. If you are listening to this podcast, you are already doing something right. You are listening. You are repeating. You are staying consistent. This is how progress happens. Quietly, slowly, powerfully. Thank you for listening. This is podcast style English. Listen again. Repeat the sentences. Speak with confidence. And remember, understanding takes time, but you are on the right path.